Let me show you how to do micro quilting with your Amara machine. First of all, I like to put on the open toe foot, and that came with your machine. First of all, I like to put the open toe foot on. It has an opening, a cutout opening in the front so that you can have a better view as you're doing micro quilting. I have them moved separately, but I'm going to go ahead and lower this one down, the right one. I've lowered the left one, I'm going to lower the right one. I'm going to loosen the lever bolts and drop that down and swing it in, and then tighten those bolts back up. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to adjust my settings on my display. So I want to first show you how to stitch in regulated mode with the cruise on. So I have it in regulated mode, and I want to move my stitches per inch up. We're going to go ahead and move those up to about, we'll do 16. And then in my cruise, which I have selected, I'm going to move my cruise up to about 500. We'll see how that works. I may change that if it's, well, we'll go to 500. Okay. I have my needle set in the down position when I stop. And now we're going to go ahead and bring our bobbin thread up. Needle down, needle up, and then bring up that bobbin thread, and then go back to that position. And I can do a tie off at this point by pressing either the diamond button on my handlebar that I have preset, or I can touch the button on the screen. Now I'm ready to start micro quilting. I would suggest that you get a chair or a stool and sit down, because you're not going to go anywhere fast when you're micro quilting. So you're just going to do some, we'll do some small stippling and maybe some pebbles, but we'll just show you how easy this works with the quilting machine. Press the start button, and I can see, do you see my cruise has already started? And I think I'm going to stop there right now, and I'm going to actually increase, I think I'm going to increase my speed up to 600, my cruise speed. There. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and press that start button again. So you're not going anywhere fast, but you're just getting that micro quilting, whether you like to do stippling or whether you like to do pebbles. So this is in regulation mode with the cruise at 600. Now I'm going to go ahead and stop, but let me show you what you can do in manual mode. So we're going to go ahead and press the button on the manual mode button, and now I have manual mode is stitches per minute. So right now I have it at 850. So I think I'm going to leave it there and just see how I feel about that. And so we'll go ahead and do some more micro quilting. Turn on the machine. So this is 850, and it's just the manual mode. So you're hearing just the machine stitching without a regulation. So you're having to regulate those stitches yourself so that they're small, because when you're doing micro quilting, you want your stitches to be smaller so that they have more rounded stitching. If you're not comfortable with this speed, we can go ahead and turn that or stop, move that down to a little small or slower speed, maybe up to at least that. And then you can see the difference. So if you want to move really slow and make sure you're really accurate, or if you want to move faster, you're going to get longer stitches, but it's kind of your preference on how you would like to do your micro quilting. Have some fun doing micro quilting with your new Amara.